Fujifilm has become one of the most trusted brands in the photography world thanks to its unique film simulation modes, compact designs, and advanced features that are beginner-friendly while still offering room to grow. We will discuss the 3 best Fujifilm camera for beginners.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Fujifilm X-S20 camera. The Fujifilm X-S20 is one of the best beginner-friendly cameras in Fujifilm's X series, offering an excellent combination of portability and power. This camera is designed to make photography accessible while still offering features that satisfy users as they improve their skills. Equipped with a 26.1-megapixel APS-C sensor and the latest X processor, the X-S20 delivers exceptional image quality with Fujifilm's signature color science. Beginners will particularly enjoy its intuitive menu system and user-friendly controls, which make it easy to switch between shooting modes, whether experimenting with manual settings or relying on automatic functions. For those stepping into videography, the X-S20 is equally capable, offering 6K video recording with advanced stabilization that helps keep footage smooth and professional-looking. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around, which is great for travel, street, or everyday photography. Another highlight is the inclusion of Fujifilm's film simulation modes, allowing beginners to experiment with different looks without needing heavy post-processing. With its impressive battery life and approachable handling, the Fujifilm X-S20 serves as an excellent all-rounder for new photographers who want a versatile tool to grow with. On number 2, we have Fujifilm X Half camera. The Fujifilm X Half is a distinctive choice for beginners who appreciate simplicity and a retro-inspired shooting experience. This camera is designed with a minimalist approach, offering a half-frame format that doubles the number of shots you can capture on a single roll of memory space, making it a creative and economical option. The half-frame style encourages experimentation and storytelling through diptychs or sequences, which can inspire beginners to think more creatively about composition. Despite its unconventional design, the X Half still provides excellent image quality, staying true to Fujifilm's reputation for vibrant colors and sharp details. It is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere, which is perfect for everyday snapshots, travel, or casual street photography. Beginners who may feel intimidated by too many technical features will appreciate the straightforward controls and the ability to focus more on framing and capturing moments rather than getting lost in menus. The Fujifilm X Half encourages new photographers to slow down and engage more thoughtfully with their shots, offering a refreshing way to learn photography fundamentals while still having fun. On number 3, we have Fujifilm X-E5 camera. For beginners who want a balance between portability, performance, and style, the Fujifilm X-E5 is an excellent option. This rangefinder-style camera offers a compact body that appeals to those who value discreet shooting, particularly in genres like street photography. Powered by a high-resolution APS-C sensor and Fujifilm's latest processing technology, the X-E5 ensures top-quality images with accurate colors and impressive detail. One of the standout features for beginners is the electronic viewfinder, which helps users frame shots accurately while also previewing exposure and color in real time. The X-E5 also provides access to Fujifilm's film simulations, making it easy to achieve stunning results straight out of the camera without extensive editing. Its lightweight build ensures comfort during long shoots, and the intuitive button layout makes it beginner-friendly while still leaving room to explore advanced manual settings as skills progress. The X-E5 is also video-capable, supporting high-resolution recording with reliable autofocus and stabilization, making it a versatile option for those who want to dabble in both photography and filmmaking. Overall, the Fujifilm X-E5 combines classic styling, ease of use, and advanced performance, making it a strong candidate for beginners who want a camera that grows with their experience. So these are some of the best cameras to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.